Sometimes the smallest cries lead to the biggest decision. It was just ordinary day by the pond until I heard it that separate panic and creeping. There he was, a tiny Mapon chick completely separate from its family, lost and terrified. He was calling out, screaming really for a mother. He could not find. My heart just broke watching him. He was so vulnerable. In the moment, I know I could not just walk away. I decided to interpret the little one needed to help. I was going to be one of provide and gently picking him and brought him home, hoping just give him safe space before figuring out the next step.
He's dragging his leg. Come on. Hello, lovers. Come on. Good girl. Hi, lovers.